What is going on, guys? Welcome back. Before I get into anything else, I just want to let you guys know to subscribe, like, and leave a comment on this video, please. I really appreciate it. Today I got the carpet in, and today's a big day. I also want to put in this. If you guys want an antenna like this, check out the link. I'll have it linked down below. I like it. I mean, it feels really, has some weight to it. I like it. It feels pretty quality to me. I like the paint finish. It looks really nice. Has a little bit of a gloss to it. It's all billet. The company is VMS. So there's a new carpet. I decided to go with black. I think it's gonna look a hell of a lot nicer. It's gonna really go with the look of the truck. There it is. Can't really see it, but yeah, I think black's gonna look a hell of a lot nicer. Feels really good. I mean, I don't know. The stock one has like a rubber mat kind of thing. This one has this weird like scratchy kind. It's a little bit thinner. Feels a little bit more less premium to me, but I went with the good one. I got this one off LMC Truck. I mean, the carpet itself feels nice. It's just this feels like I don't like it, but who cares? And the sucky thing is I have to cut it out. It doesn't come like pre-cut. I have to cut all the little holes and everything, so that sucks. Alright, so my plan of attack is what I'm gonna do is just, since I have to cut it out, I traced it out with this Crayola here because I can see it easily. I already pre-traced it, and I'm gonna just cut it with the box knife, and hopefully I don't cut it too short. That's what I'm hoping I don't make a mistake of, because then what am I gonna do? I don't know. I'm gonna proceed right now to cutting it. Here's the final cut out. I may have to make some adjustments. Now what I need to do is cut out all these little holes right here. So hopefully everything comes out perfect. Because if it doesn't, it ain't gonna fit. Alright, what's going on, guys? So I think it's that time already. I'm ready to put this thing in. So I give it a little bit of a touch up, and we're gonna put that carpet in. And I hope it fits. I hope I didn't do anything wrong, or else I'm gonna be very, very sad. Alright, what's going on, guys? So, I hope you guys are excited to see the finished results. There it is. Honestly, this looks like a brand new truck now. This carpet looks so freaking fire. Look at that. Oh, yeah. Looks pretty fire. Came out perfect. Honestly, I think it looks better than that stock gray carpet. Looked like Dookie. All the truck needs now is just this, which I'll do that eventually. And this seat, we need a new cushion, and that seat's pretty much mint. Back seat. Still need to finish putting some of the parts in, but just wanted to show you guys what the finished results look like. You know, I still need to put this this plastic part that goes here, a few other things. But overall, it looks really nice. I am happy. If you guys want this carpet, check out the link. I'll have it linked down there. If you guys want to get a brand new carpet, purchase this billet antenna for the truck. Okay, but I ran into a slight issue. The threads were too small for the truck. Okay, and they forgot to send me some sort of an adapter for my truck. So what I did was I tried to install a thread insert, so I drilled into this like that and installed a thread insert. But in the process, I had this in a vice clamp like this, and what happened was I had a rag on here so it wouldn't get scratched, and it still ended up getting scratched. So now this is technically ruined. Did was I contacted them on Instagram and I told them what happened, and they're gonna send me a new one. Shout out to VMS Racing. Thank you guys. Go check out their stuff and tell them I sent you if you guys are watching this. And if you guys want this, I'll have it down linked below on the description. So if you guys want this, check that link out. It's a nice antenna. I really do like it. The finish is really nice. Feels and looks like a real bullet, even though I've never held a 50 cal, but I mean, it's really nice. Billet. As you can see, here's the old carpet. I tried to scrub out as much as I could, but there's still these like old piss stains of who knows what. It didn't come out. And let me give it a smell test. Smells like shit. Bunch of caca. She looks freaking nasty. Bunch of those rust stains.